How to blur face in CapCut in seconds. So what we'll simply do is open our CapCut app, and here we will simply choose a video after clicking on new project. And after choosing the video, what we will do is we will simply click on the video effects and search for our basic blur, and we will simply click on that particular effect. And after clicking on it, we will simply press on OK and then click on right, and then we will extend our like effect all the way wherever we want our face to be blurred. And here after that, we will have to make a copy of our particular video, or you can simply, if you don't have the copy option, you will click on duplicate, and then you will simply click on that video and add it as an overlay. And after adding it, you can see that it isn't blurred. So what you'll do is you will go back and now search for mask option. Then you'll click on mask and click on the circle, and or any kind of shapes you want, circle, triangle, square, or anything. Then we will simply drag it, and after dragging it, we will remove our overlay. And after removing the overlay, that is how we can blur face in CapCut in seconds.